Are your sway bars stiffer than the ones on the RS cars?
Oh yeah.
Yes. The RS sway bars are still what we would consider um, kids, sway bars for children.
Yeah, the OEMs are.
Ants.
Yeah, the OEMs really have to do that the whole customer survey thing where they find the common denominator, and it's a very low bar typically for suspension stuff. They have to appease the 99%.
Yeah, so for reference, the sway bars that we do for like a B9A4 are bigger than the RS5 sway bars. And then what we do for like the S4 and RS5 are substantially bigger than that. So, yeah, the RS cars, while it's just a small incremental upgrade um, over the S cars. It's not much at all. So for for the people that think they're getting a big performance benefit from installing an RS sway bar in their car, they're just not. In fact, in most cases, you wouldn't be able to tell the difference.